This is Bhaskar here from Bachu. Lots of love from the United Kingdom. I'm excited to present my topic for the SCIP conference, using bots to drive real-time, competitive and customer intelligence. We all have a journey of choosing who our prospects are and going through the journey of converting your prospects into customers and keeping them as your long-standing advocates. How to build or how to automate this sequence, this sales enablement sequence that converts prospects into customers. In this workshop, exclusive for Society of Comparative Intelligence Professionals, SCIP, join me and my co-presenter Vishnu, where we show you how to build a set it and forget it sales enablement bot sequence that drives you a customer and competitive intelligence 24/7, 365 days a year. Choose your prospect, choose your competitor, and let's choose a company. Leave it to the bot at the start of the presentation while I cover other core elements. At the end of this 90-minute talk, let's see what the bot does in finding the compatibility between you and your prospect and your competition and the prospect. Join me at the SCIP conference. So looking forward to speaking and sharing what we know. Stay healthy and lots of love from your friends on this side of the Atlantic. Take good care.